Thanks for joining. In this lesson, we will dive into the fascinating world of JavaScript features and how it works in the browser. Get ready to expand your knowledge and improve your coding skills. If you have any questions or need clarification along the way, feel free to comment below. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons like this one. Let's jump right in and start learning. In modern web browsers, JavaScript operates within a sandbox environment that prioritizes security. As a result, it doesn't provide direct access to low-level system resources like memory or the CPU. However, JavaScript's functionality can vary depending on the environment it runs in. For example, when used with Node.js, JavaScript gains additional capabilities such as reading, writing files, and performing network requests. In the context of in-browser usage, JavaScript excels at web page manipulation, user interaction, and communication with web servers. Now let's briefly discuss what JavaScript can. This list is not complete. Manipulating the DOM, JavaScript can modify the HTML structure, and it can add, remove, or modify elements, and much more. Handling user interactions. JavaScript captures user actions, listens for mouse clicks, keyboard inputs, and so on. It makes HTTP requests. JavaScript can initiate asynchronous requests to remote servers using technologies like XML HTTP requests. Client-side form validation. JavaScript can validate user input on forms before submitting them to a server. Managing cookies and local storage, animations, and visual effects like CSS animations. Device detection. JavaScript detects various aspects of users' browser and devices. These are just a few examples of what JavaScript can accomplish in a browser. Its versatility and extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks make it a powerful tool for web development. In the browser environment, JavaScript has several limitations imposed for security and privacy reasons. Here are some of the main restrictions. JavaScript running in a browser cannot directly read, write, or manipulate files on the user's computer. JavaScript doesn't have direct access to low-level operating system functions. Due to security measures like the same origin policy, JavaScript from one domain cannot access or modify content from another domain unless both domains explicitly allow it. JavaScript can send HTTP requests to fetch data from remote servers, but there are limitations. Cross-origin requests are subject to the same origin policy and require appropriate headers, such as CORS. We will be discussing CORS in later lessons. CORS, which stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing, is a mechanism implemented in web browsers that allows web pages to make requests to a different origin, domain, protocol, or port than the one from which the web page originated. Next limitation, JavaScript cannot access sensitive user information. And the last one, JavaScript running in one browser tab or window cannot directly access or modify the content of data of other tabs. These limitations are in place to ensure user privacy, protect against security threats, and prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. JavaScript's capabilities within the browser are carefully designed to strike a balance between functionality and user safety. Next, let's discuss a few main features of JavaScript. JavaScript is seamlessly integrated with HTML and CSS, forming a trio of technologies for web development. It enables effortless manipulation of HTML elements, CSS styles, and web page structure. As I mentioned earlier, the JavaScript is quite simple language. JavaScript embraces simplicity as a guiding principle, making routine programming tasks straightforward and intuitive. It provides a clean and concise syntax for performing command operations such as string manipulation, array handling, mathematical computation, logical operations, and so on. JavaScript enjoys widespread support across all major web browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and so on. It's enabled by default when users visit websites, eliminating the need for manual activation or additional software installation. So, these characteristics make JavaScript an indispensable tool for web development, facilitating the seamless integration of code with HTML and CSS, providing simplicity for common programming tasks, and ensuring broad capability and accessibility across major browsers by default. And now we have reached the end of this lesson. In our next lesson, we will be exploring the exciting topic of documentation and specification. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great coding content. Stay updated with the latest video by ringing the notification bell. Happy coding!